Last Monday evening, I was at the local grocery store when I witnessed a grumpy lady holding a dilapidated bag and was acting strange. Out of my sheer curiosity, I started to notice her closely. And to my dismay, I found out she was a shoplifter as she was trying to hide articles from the shelf. I kept an eye on every move she made without making her aware that somebody was watching her. Well, I hope you had an idea of what I witnessed last Monday evening. Today, we will talk about Eyewitness Report. An eyewitness report is a first-person account of an event you have personally witnessed. The purpose of an eyewitness report is to provide details about an incident or event to an authority in a clear, concise manner, giving as many details as you recall as accurately as possible. A very common example of an eyewitness report is when you witness a criminal scene and report it to the police. Of course, an eyewitness report to the police will need to be formal. Remember your audience. These are busy people and would not appreciate a large amount of digression. Your report should be concise and with readable handwriting. In eyewitness report, it's very important to know who you are writing to. Maybe it's a police officer or a lawyer. So start off by writing to the police, principal, lawyer, etc. Of course, a police officer would not know who you are. So the next thing you have to write is your full name. It's essential to write when the incident took place. So, following your name, you would write the date. Example, Thursday, May 27, 2021. Next, you can write the subject of your report. Example, shoplifting at Flamingo Store, Kansas. This is completely optional. You can skip this and include it in the lead paragraph. In the introductory, lead paragraph includes specific details like time and place. Consider the question such as what happened, when did it happen, where did it happen, why did it happen, and who was involved. Information about people involved should be included only if it is relevant. Otherwise, write mainly the incident that you have personally witnessed. When you write an eyewitness report, you are writing a factual account of something which has taken place. The person you're writing the report for depends on your account to get a clear picture of the situation. So, your report has to be clear and informative. In the main body, tell how exactly the incident took place. Write what actually took place in a proper order, that is, chronologically. Give a clear, straightforward account. There is no room for your personal opinion or dramatic effect. If you want to add something that you didn't actually see, use a phrase like, he appeared to have a gun. Using the word appear lets anyone reading the report know that although you didn't actually see the gun, it looked as if there may have been one. Use language as precisely as you can. If you're describing clothes, don't just say someone was wearing a brown coat. If you know a more specific word, use it. Try to remember any identifying marks, odd behaviors, or out-of-place events surrounding the situation you're reporting on. In conclusion, write a summarizing comment, but it should not be your opinion. That's all about it. Thank you for watching Studimation, animated educational videos.